Thinking of starting an online business? Great! But before you dive in, there's one crucial legal step you can't afford to skip: forming an LLC. Skip this step and you could put your personal assets at risk.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly, to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.
Hi, my name is Nguyen, a California business attorney, and today we're breaking down exactly how to form an LLC for your online business the right way. Whether you're selling on Shopify, coaching on Zoom, or running a YouTube channel, this legal structure can protect you and your business. Let's get into it. Step 1, choose your state. If you're running an online business, you might think you can form an LLC anywhere. While some states like Wyoming and Delaware are business friendly, it's often best to form your LLC in the state where you actually live in, especially if you'll be running operations from there. Step 2, pick a unique business name. Your LLC must be unique in your state's business database. Here's a pro tip: check domain availability too, so your brand name is consistent online. Step 3, file your LLC paperwork. This is called the Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation in some states. You'll file this with the state and pay a fee, anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on where you register. Step 4, get an EIN or Employer Identification Number. Think of this as like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. You can get an EIN for free from the IRS website. Step 5, create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, an operating agreement lays out the rules of your business, how profits are divided, and what happens if you bring in a partner and more. This is key to keeping your LLC legally strong. Step 6, separate your business and personal finances. Once your LLC is official, don't mix personal and business money. Open a business bank account and only use it for company transactions. This protects your limited liability status, which is the whole reason you formed an LLC in the first place. Forming an LLC for your online business is a game changer. It gives you legal protection, tax benefits, and credibility. Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Stay informed and stay empowered.